In 1990, the U.S. produced about 40% of the world's semiconductors. As manufacturing migrated to Asia, U.S. production fell to about 12%. Mark Lundstrom has worked with semiconductors, or microchips, critical to modern-day electronics, much of his life, and believes they were underappreciated until there was a shortage.
During COVID, we got a wake-up call.
The 2020 coronavirus pandemic slowed production in Asia, creating a ripple through the global supply chain and leading to shortages of everything from phones to vehicles. U.S. reliance on foreign chip manufacturers exposed a major weakness.
We know AI is going to transform society in the next several years. It requires extremely powerful chips.
Lundstrom is the acting dean of engineering at Purdue University in Lafayette, Indiana, historically a leader in semiconductor research, which has new importance in the emerging field of artificial intelligence.
If we fall behind in AI, the consequences are enormous for the defense of our country, for our economic future.
The key metrics of the performance of the chips, actually the size of the transistors.
Zihong Chen is director of Purdue's Burke Nanotechnology Center, which boasts what it calls the cleanest room in the world, where engineers work around the clock to push microchip technology into the future. And smaller is better.
We are talking about the few atoms in each silicon transistor. We are trying to make the next generation transistors better devices than current technologies.
Purdue's efforts, along with those of other university campuses in the state, have boosted Indiana's profile as an attractive location for manufacturers looking to build new microchip facilities. Eric Holcomb, Indiana's Republican governor, is working to transform the state beyond its agricultural and automotive manufacturing legacy.
If we want to compete globally, we have to get smarter and healthier and more equipped.
Holcomb's vision is shared by other lawmakers, including U.S. Senator Todd Young of Indiana, who co-sponsored the bipartisan 2023 CHIPS and Science Act, which commits more than $50 billion in federal funding for domestic microchip development. Indiana is now home to one of 31 designated U.S. technology and innovation hubs, helping it qualify for hundreds of millions of dollars in grants designed to attract technology-driven businesses.
And we understand that economic development, economic security, and national security complement one another.
This month, South Korean microchip manufacturer SK Hynix announced it was planning to build a $4 billion facility near Purdue that would produce next-generation, high-bandwidth memory chips critical for artificial intelligence applications. While U.S. chip manufacturer SkyWater also plans to invest nearly $2 billion in Indiana, the state recently lost bidding to host chipmaker Intel, which selected Ohio for 2 new factories.
Companies tend to like to go to locations where there already that infrastructure and their supply chain is in place. That's a challenge for us.
What could give Indiana a competitive edge is its natural resources. Plenty of land and water and regular weather patterns, crucial for the processes needed for large-scale microchip manufacturing. Kane Farabaugh, VOA News, Indianapolis, Indiana.